Assalamu alaikum. This is Saklan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate different things live. First, how to add Avalanche network to MetaMask. Second, connect your Avalanche wallet to Wonderland and TraderJoe to stake time. Time staking is having insane APY around 89,000%. Third, how to send AVAX from any exchange like KuCoin and Binance to MetaMask on C-Chain. C-Chain AVAX is needed for trading like Smart Chain. BNB is needed in PancakeSwap. At the end of the video, I will demonstrate how to stake time. Kindly hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. So let's start the video. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select the MetaMask. Trust Wallet is not supported. This is the newly installed MetaMask extension. Click on to Next. No matter whatever the network it is having, just click on to Connect. It will change the network automatically. There are two methods to connect your wallet to Wonderland. One is by automatic method and second is by manual method. First I am going to use the automatic method. It's giving error wrong network because it was on Ethereum mainnet. Click on to this wrong network tab. It's asking to switch the network. It will switch the network automatically and add the AVAX network to your MetaMask. Approve. Switch network. Now the error is gone. Your wallet is connected on Wonderland. You can add Avalanche network to your MetaMask. Just go to your MetaMask extension, click on to Networks and Custom RPC and fill all these empty spaces. You can fill these spaces by going to Google, type add AVAX to MetaMask and select the first search result. Just copy and paste all these values into your MetaMask extension. I already having Avalanche network, that's why it's showing red letters. Click on to save and you are ready to go. You can buy time from TraderJoe. Buy on TraderJoe. Click on to I understand and continue. You can buy time with the help of AVAX token. So you will have to buy AVAX from any exchange. You can buy it like from Coinbase, KuCoin or Binance exchange. Connect your MetaMask wallet to buy time with the help of AVAX. Next. Now you need AVAX to buy time. Let's buy AVAX from Binance exchange. Click on to AVAX and trade. Buy AVAX. Now go to your wallet. Now you will have to send the AVAX to your MetaMask wallet. Withdraw. One thing to remember, choose the C-Chain network. Enter your address from MetaMask. Copy it. Paste. In network, choose AVAX C, AVAX C-Chain. C-Chain stands for cross-chain. As Smart Chain, BNB is needed to trade in PancakeSwap. In the same way, AVAX C-Chain is needed to trade. Enter your amount. If you are not sure about the whole procedure, just send a little amount to confirm either all the things are working. Once you are confirmed, then you can send all the money. Now we have received AVAX into our MetaMask. Let's go and buy time from Trader Joe. Keep little amount of AVAX to spare for staking fees. Swap. Confirm swap. Confirm swap. Now we have our time token. Wait for the confirmation. Now let's take it on Wonderland. Simply refresh your page. Click on to max and approve. Approval is only needed for the first time. Now again refresh the page and stake time. Click on to max and stake time. We staked it on 18th November